Hey guys, it's Matt here, and today we're going to be installing Android in Ubuntu using VirtualBox. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and click on New, and I'm going to go ahead and call it Android 4.4. Now we're going to choose Linux because Android is Linux, and we're going to choose Other Linux 32-bit because that is what we downloaded. I'm going to give it 2048 megabytes of RAM, but I wouldn't give it any more than half of what you have installed. Unless you have plenty, I mean, leave your operating system at least 2 gigs, depending. I'm going to go ahead and create a virtual hard drive. Next. And I'm going to leave it to that. I'm going to go to Settings, Storage, Empty. Click on that, and then we're going to choose it. It's right there. You're going to have to find out where you saved it, and click OK. We'll go ahead and start it. Now we're going to let this boot, which should not take too long, and now we're going to click Install, and now it will load all the files we need to install it, and it will go ahead and do that. We're going to need to click Create or Modify. We're going to click New, Primary. We're going to leave it at that, and we're going to come down here and click Write, and we're going to click type yes, and then Enter, and then it will write the partition table to the disk. And there we go, and now we can go ahead and go to quit, and now we're going to choose that. We're going to format it NTFS, yes, and it will write that. We're going to go ahead and install grub, just because that's easier. We're going to go ahead and click yes, and now it's going to go ahead and write the file system, the operating system. I'll be back as soon as it's done. Okay, I'm back, and it is just about done. Let's just go ahead and let this finish real quick. And there we go, just about. Yeah, it will potentially go back. It's doing expectations of percentages. I don't know quite why, but it'll be finished in just about a second. So let's go ahead and wait. But I guess while we're waiting, I can show you where to download it. You go to androidx86.org/download, and then they have these builds, and I chose that build. And from here, we want to go ahead and create this. This is our application data. We're going to go ahead and hit yes. 512 megabytes is not quite enough for me. I'm going to go, I know we give it an 8 gig hard disk, but I'm just going to go with 4,000, I don't even know. It's like 4,090 something. Should probably figure this out. Yeah, but it's I believe it's 4,096. Oh wait, max. Oh, we have a maximum. Oh, okay, so we'll give it 2,047. It's a really awkward number, but I guess we're doing that. This is the data image. This is just what we can write applications to, and I guess I'll be back when this is done. Okay guys, we're just about done creating the data.img file. So let's go ahead and let this finish. And this should be relatively quick. It did take a while, but I did go back in and make it a 512 because it was taking way longer. So we're going to go ahead and click enter, and this should reboot our VM. And there's the little Android dialog that says Android, and it should be booting our VM in just about a second, or well, a couple of seconds. Android. There we go, Android. I'll be back when it's done booting. Hey guys, okay, we're back, and it's gone ahead and booted. Now you see I have a bit of a problem with my mouse. And it doesn't show up, so I kind of have to guess. But we're gonna go ahead and let this welcome screen go through. I'll be back as soon as it's done. Okay, I'm back. Now, it says I need to turn on Wi-Fi, but because we're using a VM, we actually have LAN, so it's a bit of a problem. If you really need Wi-Fi, if you intend on using this a whole lot, you can go into settings and network, and you can change the adapter to a wireless one rather than this. But I'm gonna click on skip. Whoops. Skip anyway, and we'll just go ahead and wait this just a sec. It is a bit laggy right now, but we're also running into VM. I'm gonna click on no. I didn't want to click on yes. Click on back. Nope. I would have wanted back. It's really slow right now. No. I'm just gonna click no for now. Not now. And sure, why not? Just trying to be quick. Yep. There. Just trying to find the button. Let's tell it belongs to random dude. There. And it's going to set this up. Yep. Subject to the policy. Yep. And we should get a welcome screen. Okay. And I don't know why we have no apps. I don't know. Oh, we do. Okay. Yeah, but that's it, guys. That's how you install Android on Ubuntu using using Oracle VirtualBox. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, peace.